Okay, hey everybody. This week it's about dessert. Trying to figure out vegan desserts that don't taste vegan, and I think I've got it. So this is lemon bars. It's made with cashews and no dairy, and the crust is made out of dates and pecans. There's coconut in here, and it's really, really good. This is vegan lemon bar dessert, and I'm gonna take you through what I did. Okay, here are our ingredients. Most of this comes from Trader Joe's. We've got cashews and pecans. We've got coconut flour as well as coconut flakes, coconut oil, maple syrup, and the dates. We'll add the sweetness, and everything's going to go into a baking dish. So first thing is to get 3/4 cup of raw cashews and submerge those in water. You want to leave those for a couple of hours. And then go ahead and prepare the crust from there. So the crust is going to be made up of 6 dates. So get the pits out of those and throw those into a food processor. Also add the pecans and a cup of shredded coconut. And then in your food processor, go ahead and mix that. I like to mix it a little bit first and then add the tablespoon of coconut oil. You want to melt that coconut oil ahead of time, and you're going to need more for the filling as well. So once that's in, go ahead and finish mixing the crust until it's really mixed all the way through and is kind of mushy. Then you're going to want to line your baking dish with some parchment paper. Go ahead and pour that crust in there and just use your fingertips to kind of even it out. Make sure it goes into all the edges and corners, and then set that aside. So then it's time for the filling. The filling is just those cashews as well as a 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Go ahead and put that together in a mixing bowl. Then add the coconut oil. And then after that, the maple syrup. Calling for 1/2 cup here, but you can do 3/4 cup of maple syrup if you like it sweeter. And then just a tiny bit of vanilla. And you've got the mixture. Put that into a blender. Go ahead and blend that up on high speed until it's nice and smooth. And then you just pour that on top of the crust. And that's really it. Very quick, very simple, and super healthy. You want to freeze that for at least 4 hours until it's firm, and then serve it right out of the freezer. If you want to dust it with some coconut flour, it just makes it look all that more professional. And yeah, enjoy. This is delicious.